Hello there. Today I'm going to draw a cute little penguin. We're going to start with a heart for the face. Okay, and we're going to do another circle around it as the helmet of the little penguin. This is the body. Okay, and we're going to go around it again. We're going to have the flippers around the eyes, circles again. Now the beak, I'm going to just do an upside down triangle. Okay, so let's start coloring our penguin. So one more thing, the feet. There we go. Okay, so some facts about penguins. They eat their fish whole, squid as well. They just swallow it whole without chewing. They're considered birds, but they can't fly. They like to waddle around, moving side to side. They like to huddle, keep close together with other penguins, and they're playful as well. They like to slide on their bellies, sort of like tobogganing down the icy little hills. And they lay 1 to 2 eggs. The male and the female penguins, they take turns guarding the eggs from the predators as well. Okay, and they live in the Antarctic. Okay, and they love to swim in the icy cold waters as well. I'm just going around it here in black. So it's sort of like a little tuxedo look to the penguin. Going to use orange for the feet, and I also did the beak there. And just to make it look a little cute, I'm going to add some little pink rouge on the cheeks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, waddle waddle.